Welcome to my custom 3D printer build based upon the VZBot by Vez3D. What you're seeing here is temporary layout of the frame. I'm currently experimenting with different orientations before finalizing the structure. For the frame I have chosen to go with the 2040 aluminum extrusions which offer better rigidity as compared to 2020 extrusions. As we move around the build, you'll notice the Z motion system is mounted temporarily. I've got some corner braces and brackets. I have not bolted the frame yet. Unlike the original VZBot, which uses linear rails for the y-axis, I have opted for a more cost-effective solution, that is the Delrin wheels, similar to those found on the Ender 3 printers. To make this work, I have designed a custom adapter in Onshape. It's a simple bracket that houses 3 wheels and matches the height and the footprint of the linear rail. This design decision allows me to use the rest of the VZBot motion system without any significant changes. Here you can see the adapter in action, mounted to the extrusion and rolling cleanly over the rail. The frame is now fully assembled and the gantry provides consistent and stable motion across the y-axis. I have also mounted the X carriage to visualize how the full assembly will come together. So far the mechanics are behaving as expected, giving me a solid foundation to build upon. Thanks for watching. More updates will follow as I begin wiring up the electronics.